12 weather alert.
Good morning. We will have a chance of some strong thunderstorms this afternoon. In fact, let's get you right to our probability timeline. And sometimes we show you maps, other times we show you graphs. Guess what? Today I'm going to show you both. Now, this is a good way to kind of detail the likely time frame to see some of these stronger storms moving on through. A slight chance during the early afternoon, but it's after 2 p.m. all the way through 6, 7 p.m. where the best chance to see some of these showers and storms will be. In terms of who is likely to see those early storms first, well, I think it would be here in northern Rhode Island, places like Smithfield, potentially Foster, 3 or 4 p.m. You can see some of these strong showers and storms popping up. Then notice the lines of showers and storms gradually start to shift to the east, so 5, 6 p.m. the chance of some strong storms pretty much everywhere. And then a lingering shower or storm out towards Cape Cod at 9 or 10 p.m., but we're pretty much done with the showers and storms at this point. In the meantime, things are looking really nice this morning. In fact, from our cameras in Providence, Narragansett, visibility in pretty good shape. If you're heading to the Food Truck Festival, which is right here at India Point Park today, we'll get a nice breeze out of the south, taking a little bit of an edge off of the mugginess. But do have a plan to get inside, seek shelter, because we could see some of these strong storms moving through. The interruptions likely won't be long, maybe 30 or 40 minutes. But when these storms roll through, they could pack a punch. Now, here's why. We have a lot of humidity over us. We have a front moving in from the west. In fact, the cold front's still across the Great Lakes. And when we have cold fronts clashing with humid air masses, we do have that shower and thunderstorm chance, and that's pretty much the setup for today. This morning, it's beautiful. A mix of clouds and sun. We can see very far down along Narragansett Bay and Narragansett Town Beach, a mix of sun and clouds. You can get some pretty decent beach time in today. We'll talk more about that in just a few minutes. 72 is your current temperature in Smithfield, 72 Newport, low 70s from Providence, and mid 70s in Westerly right now. Our dew points already in the mid to upper 60s. When you get dew points like this, especially like in Newport and Westerly where we're pushing the 70-degree mark dew point, that's when it does start to feel sticky. Our winds between about 5 and 10 miles an hour right now, but these will pick up during the afternoon between about 10 and 20 miles an hour. Could be a little gusty at the coast. Again, kind of a welcome thing with all the warmth and humidity. And notice the line of clearing. So our cold front is way back here. You can kind of see it behind it. Notice how clean the air mass is. That is what's on the way for Sunday. And we'll talk about that Sunday Futurecast in just a second. Out ahead of that front, we'll see these temperatures in the mid to upper 80s. And this will be very sunshine dependent. Not only the temperatures, but also the strength of these storms. If we get a little more in the sunshine department, that would help add to the strength of some of these storms. Should we get a few more clouds than anticipated, that would kind of rob the heat from some of these storms, and then likely not quite as severe, or really no severe storms this afternoon. So that's sort of the line that we're walking today with the sunshine. Temperature 79 on average at the beaches today, with plenty of beach time to be had. But again, eye to the sky and an eye on our app during the afternoon. You can download that from the App Store, by the way. Just search WPRI 12 weather. That's a great tool to have with you today at the beach, especially the interactive radar. On the water, also a good tool. Breezes out of the southwest, 10 to 25 knots. Waves around 2 to 3 feet in Narragansett Bay, with high tide on the way at 11 o'clock this morning. So, should these strong storms materialize, the primary threats would be damaging wind gusts, heavy downpours, with the chance of some localized street flooding. But again, there is a scenario in which these storms kind of collapse before getting to our neck of the woods and we just get some regular old thunderstorms and showers. But even regular old thunderstorms can have lightning in them, so that's something to keep in mind. And then here's the payoff tomorrow. We get behind that cold front. We're talking mid-80s, low humidity, a comfortable breezy day. Even the beaches tomorrow should be able to get to the low 80s with those land breezes going for a good part of Sunday. A nice start to the work week, and then humidity increases, as will the chance for a few showers from the middle to the end of the week. You can always get an updated Futurecast over on our website at WPRI.com and an updated